Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In today's lecture, we'll discuss about the decision making statement. So without wasting time, just go for that. Here, decision making statement. We'll see decision making statement in today's lecture. We'll discuss about the if else and the types. Okay, first of all, we will discuss about if statement, then if else, then next if else, then else if latter. Okay, just before that, I want to memorize that the decision making is decision making. What are the decision in the code? We use some conditions, and if the condition is true, then the certain block will be executed. If the condition is false, then the block will be not executed. We give some condition due to this happens due to the conditions. So first, see the if statement conditions. Okay, if statement. If statement is used when no, if statement is used to check the whether the given condition is true or not. If statement is used to check the whether the given condition is true or not. If the given condition is true, then the certain block will be executed or conducted. If the given condition is not true, then the condition will not be executed. Okay, so just see the program. Okay, now guys, see the program. So first of all, we want to include some header files as hash include istream, then using namespace history, then semicolon, then in int main. Our main execution program will start from the int. So first of all, declare some data members as int age. Okay, then cout, enter the age of the person. Okay, cin to read this age. Okay, then here want to use the if block statement. Okay, if the age is greater than 18, then the person is eligible for riding a bicycle. Okay, as the program in int main, so we want to return some values. Return 0. Okay, now I will here input some comment sections. Okay, oh sorry, this is the program of if statement. Here are some header files. Our main execution program start from int. Okay, if block start from this. Starts and return. Value. Okay, now here we take some int main, so we must want to return some value as int 0. Okay, now here we input some header files, then int main, int age. If the age is greater than 18, then this if block will be executed. If the age is less than 18, then it doesn't matter, it will not be executed. Okay, just see this program. Enter the age of the person. First of all, you want to save the file. Control plus S, sorry, then execute. Enter the age of the person, then I'll take 19. Okay, what will happen? The person is eligible for riding a bicycle. I take here 19, so that will be print. If I print here 17, okay, 17, what will happen? It will not execute this statement. Okay, if block will be not be executed, as you see there. Now we'll discuss about if else. Okay, if else statement. And just without wasting time, just go for that bus, clear the screen, and if else statement. Okay, if else statement is the same. Okay, if else statement is same as the if statement, but here a little bit difference is here. Then what is the difference? In if else statement, if the if condition is true, if the condition is true, then if block will be executed. Okay, in if else condition is in if else statement, if the if the condition is true, then if block will be executed. But if the condition is false or not true, then else block will be executed or the conducted. Okay, just see this by the program. Okay, now see the just same here. You want to declare some header files, iStream, then using namespace, then semicolon, then int main. In int main, our main execution program will start from the int main. Just before that, I want to declare here int data member as int age. We will take here age. Okay, now say out, enter the age of the person. Okay, then semicolon, then age. Okay, then if in if block age, if age is greater than 18, then the person is eligible for riding a bicycle. Okay, then else block will be executed. Else cout, the person is not eligible for riding a bicycle. Okay, as you know that we taken the int main, so we just want to here return a value as returns 0. So just again see this, what we has been done. The program is same here. In the tut one, we will declare header files, int main, int age. Okay, then if block will be executed if this is true. Just here a simple change is that here else is written here, as we see. Else this if the condition is not true, if this condition is not true, then this block will be executed. Just see this. Okay, first of all, Control plus S to save the file, then just see, enter the age of the person. First of all, I'll take 19. Okay, I just take here 19. So if block is executed, the person is eligible for riding a bicycle. This condition is true, so this block will be executed. Okay, now just see again. I'll take here 17. just now. I'll take here 17. So what will it print? Just see, the person is not eligible for riding a bicycle. What is this? The person is not eligible for riding a bicycle. This condition is not true. Okay, the age is less than 18, so else block will be executed. Okay, now just see. Hello guys, now we'll see the nested if else. Okay, so without wasting time, just go for that. Clear the screen and go. Nested if else. Okay, nested if else means if the statement inside if statement. Okay, nested if else means what? Nested if else means if statement inside another if statement. Okay, if the first if statement is true, then the program will be executed. Okay, if statement will be executed. If the first statement if statement is not true, it means it is false, then in the else block there is an else block. Second, in the else block the second if statement will be executed, and if the second if statement is not executed, false, it means it false. If the second condition is false, then the second else block will be the third if statement will be executed. This process will be continued until the if condition is true. Okay, so just without wasting time, just see the program. You will clear the all doubts. If getting any doubt, just comment in the comment sections. So here, first of all, we want to input some header files as hash include iStream, then using namespace, then std, and then semicolon in the, and then int in main. Our main execution program starts from in main. So first of all, I'll take here marks. Okay, int as marks, then semicolon, then cout enter student marks. Okay, then cin marks. Okay, now if in if statement, if marks is greater than 90, okay, if the marks are greater than 90, then cout student is pass with the first class. Okay, class. Okay, then else, in else block the second if statement, if marks is greater than 90, 99, if the marks are greater than 70, we will take here 80. Okay, 80, then in if statement cout student is passed with the second class. Okay, then here just include some heavy semicolons, and then else student is fail. Okay, Now here, and then we want to input here return value, return 0. So without wasting time, just see what has been done here. Header files, then data members, then read the value, then if this if the marks are greater than 19, then the student is passed with the first class. If this statement is true, then this block will be executed. Else, if marks are less than 80 or greater than 80, then if the marks are greater than 80, then this block will be executed. The student is passed with the second class. Else, if both conditions are not true, then else block will be conducted as cout student is failed. Okay, so just see this. So just see this program. So first of all, save the program, and then okay, enter the marks 91. Okay, the student is passed with the first class. Here this condition is true, the marks are greater than 90, so this block will be executed. Okay, this block will be executed. Just repeat this, enter the mark 35. I'll take 35. Okay, the student is fail. Okay, then again this block will be this if statement and this if statement is the conditions are not true, so else block will be executed. So okay, now just see again. Sorry, there is some just before saving, I'll do here. So just see here now. Okay, into the student mark 81, 85 take. I'll take 85. Okay, the student is passed with the second class. This condition is true, so this block will be executed. So I hope you just clear this nested if else. It just a little bit more confusion, just not more than. Okay, just see the next part. Hello guys, now we just see the last is the else if ladder. Okay, else if ladder. Okay, now the ladder if else helps the user to decide among the multiple options. Okay, the ladder if else helps the user to decide among the multiple options. As soon as one of the if statement is true, then if statement will be executed and remaining will be bypassed. Okay, just that are invoked. Okay, if none of the condition is true, then the final else statement will be executed. You will get clarified just while seeing the program. So guys, now see guys, here I just include here header files as header files hashing istream. Then in int main, our main execution program will start from int main. So here I just take here 3 data variables as a, b, c, and I just print. Okay, read this data variables, and in the first condition, in the if first condition, if a is greater than b and a is greater than c, then this condition will be executed. If b is greater than a and b is greater than c, then this condition will be executed. And if both conditions are false, then else condition will be executed. Just see that. Enter the values, just run this program, enter the 3 values 7, 8 and 9. Okay, c is the greatest value here, this is c. Now just see the another example as 9, 4 and 1.